Flexibility and convenience are critical considerations in ensuring client satisfaction in today's competitive industry. Customers frequently seek the opportunity to split payments between numerous payment methods when making purchases, allowing them to utilize multiple sources of finances. Split payments are a convenient alternative for both retailers and customers, allowing a wide range of financial situations and preferences. In this video, we will look at the concept of split payments, their benefits for both businesses and customers, and how to successfully apply this capability to improve the transaction experience. Recognizing split payment. The process of spreading the total cost of a transaction among various payment options is referred to as split payments. Customers can assign different portions of the payment using several sources, such as credit cards, gift cards, store credit, or multiple bank accounts, rather than relying on a single payment method. Customers benefit from this versatility since it allows them to manage their finances more effectively and make purchases even when they do not have enough funds in a single account. Customer advantages. Allowing split payments provides various benefits to clients, increasing their spending power and overall shopping experience. Financial flexibility. Split payments allow clients with limited cash to use a single payment option. Customers can cover the purchase amount by combining available balances from several accounts or payment instruments if numerous sources are allowed. Gift cards and store credit. With split payments, customers can use gift cards or store credit in addition to other payment methods. This allows you to redeem gift cards or loyalty points while also using alternate payment methods, which adds convenience and value. Budgeting. Split payments allow clients to stick to their budgeting choices. They can charge a specified amount to a credit card, for example, while the remaining debt is paid with cash or a debit card. Customers can use this function to keep track of their spending and make informed financial decisions. Advantages for retailers. Split payment options in a retail setting benefit organizations in a variety of ways, eventually driving customer satisfaction and sales development. Increased conversion rates. By allowing customers to pay in installments, companies can remove financial barriers that may prevent them from making a purchase. When customers may split the payment, they are more likely to complete the deal, leading in improved conversion rates and lower cart abandonment. Enhanced customer experience. By accommodating individual preferences, split payments contribute to a better customer experience. This adaptability shows that the retailer appreciates their consumers and is devoted to addressing their different demands, which fosters loyalty and customer happiness. Increased sales opportunities. Allowing split payments allows you to reach a larger consumer base. Customers with restricted cash in a single account can nevertheless make purchases by combining payment methods. This inclusiveness increases the retailer's sales potential and expands its reach. Split payment functionality implementation. Retailers can effectively integrate split payment options by leveraging modern point-of-sale systems or e-commerce platforms that allow this functionality. During the checkout process, these systems should provide a user-friendly interface that allows customers to select and allocate multiple payment methods. The split payment feature should be smoothly incorporated into the payment workflow, ensuring a smooth and efficient customer experience. Retailers should also provide clear instructions and information on how to split payments, allowing customers to comfortably use this option.